Gantry, revs are up and away we go. And the first race of the weekend gets underway. A super start by James. James Ibbotson, now he's showboating. Look at this. Oh, that's beautiful.
Hello, right, we're back home from Donington after a fantastic weekend. Podium and a race win, so really happy. I'm sure, as you'll have probably seen, the BARC posted a video of some questionable driving by myself in the Imp. Yeah, I didn't really get much in-car footage because the GoPro mount snapped halfway through the first race. So I thought I'd put a few clips together and try and make a decent bit of a video out of it. So yeah, I don't normally do this kind of thing, so we'll see how it goes, but yeah.
It's like an ice rink out there. James.
Flag is waved by the marshal at the back of the field, waiting for the red lights to come on. When they go out, we'll be racing here at Donington Park with the Pultec Pre-66 touring cars. Red lights are on the gantry, revs are up, and away we go. And the first race of the weekend gets underway. A super start by James Ibbotson. Good start by Guy Connew at the wheel of the Jaguar, trying to get down the inside of Billy Keneally. Piers Grange is boxed in the midfield. Watch for the Mustang starting to come through, using the power down the straights. Keith Wright, that's good to see, is joining in from the back of the field, from the pit lane in the Morris Minor. Everybody appears to be round the first turn okay, and it is James Ibbotson who leads. Keneally into second place. The Jag has dropped back to fourth. Barry Syme coming through into third place in the Mini, so it's small cars to the fore as they head down the Craner curves, then Bronze the brakes into the right-hander, into the old hairpin. Barry at Brands Hatch in the wets. Can he take a win in the dry? Gary Townsend is up into third place. Began his career on the short ovals. The ex-Brisker F1 racer as Barry Syme up the inside is in the Imp, the reigning champion. He completes the overall podium. Couldn't quite
here. We spoke before the race. A class win for you. What happened on the last lap there?
For the last two laps I had no fourth gear. I don't know what's happened, so I think we're going to have to go home and get the other gearbox and bring it back.
Oh, you are going to race tomorrow?
I'll try and get the car together for tomorrow, because if it is going to rain tomorrow, there's a race win in this, easy.
Then 15 minutes of racing to come. The Pultec Classic Race Engines Pre-66 touring cars. The red lights are on and away they go. Watch for that Imp through the middle of James Stars, and he's into it already as they head down towards Redgate. And look at Michael Loveland coming up as well. Those Imps, the rear engine machines, could they be first and second here? I don't think so. Gary Townsend's got away into second place. Poor start for Barry Syme. I noted one car, that's Michael Sheraton starting from the pit lane. But Michael Loveland, a super getaway in his Imp as well. And James Ibbotson, here he goes. Oh, we've got a Cortina. That's Ben Truslove sideways. Nathan Beresford sliding about as well. Oh, it's so treacherous there at the top of the course. But look at Ibbotson. Rally style, sideways down the Craner curves. He loves conditions like this. and I suspect we're going to see him clear off. But Barry Syme is up into second in the Mini. He'll be giving him other ideas.
Oh, goodness sake.
He's going for it. I think that might be the fastest way to drive that car. It's just how he drives. 14 is hard. That's quite a gap now. That's quite a gap. Maybe we're 2 laps in. It just makes me very nervous how much
That's really cool.
Mike's just
It's just been fun. Yeah, 100%.
Midlands Airport, a bit between McLean's and Coppice. There's sometimes aviation fuel spilt on there, so it can make it even more slippery. Not that James Ibbotson, now he's showboating. Look at this. Oh, that's beautiful. If marks for style in motor racing were awarded, James Ibbotson would be champion every time. Here he comes into the old hairpin. There he goes again. That is magnificent. It's car control. Up there with a World Rally Championship driver, I would say.
Christ.